guys, today there's only one or two videos, I think. And the last video of the day is a Cybercrime episode 83. And the title is Healthcare is Going Straight to Hell with These Technologies. Alright, so three things: Internet of Things, AI, and lastly is I keep forgetting. I'm so sorry. Cryptocurrency. Okay, so let's start. First, Internet of Things. I actually did not know what Internet of Things is until I looked it up and I understood right away. So let's see. Wearables is one of them. They don't consider smartphones as Internet of Things, but it is. But legally, they don't consider that as, Internet of Things. I don't know why. It just, through my research, it says that. Okay, so hackers could easily use a serial number of your wearable and hack into your wearable data, especially when it's connected to your phone, and then they have access to your phone and they access to your data and whatever confidential information is there, they'll be able to obtain it. If the wearable is capable of having a SIM card and making cellular calls, it's very simple for the hacker to retrieve your healthcare monitoring information through your wearables, listening in on your phone calls, even during confidential doctor support appointments, just like mine. They can know where your whereabouts. They can hack into your EMR system and change information so you do not receive the proper healthcare care because the information has been altered and incorrect, which has happened to me. If there are any files that's in your smart devices, they can do a lot more harm to the healthcare system and industry and you. Hackers can easily use your healthcare information, which contains insurance number, your banking information, your insurance information, your everything. And it's selling 50 to 70. I read something about 50 to 100 actually per record for the healthcare compared to financial credit card, which was prevalent about 10, 15 years ago. And now it's selling for less than $1 on the black market. All right, so let's talk about AI. I already talked about it. There's no point. When you talk about AI, it's very simple. It's not ready. AI is not ready. And especially, it is not ready to use for mental health support purposes because the natural language processing output, it's not ready. It's not ready for mental health, especially when it comes to being humanized with a digital device. All right, lastly, blockchain and cryptocurrency. All right, so I was frauded. Yes. I was stupid. Yes. However, using cryptocurrency, health professionals have several ways already to commit insurance fraud, and this happens in the States the most. Using cryptocurrency or blockchain is going to make insurance fraud a lot more dangerous as well. It's harder to catch the criminals who are committing double billing, phantom billing, unbundling, and upcoming. Okay, so it's essentially, that wasn't the right word. The insurance files are the insurance fraud are more prevalent in the United States than in the rest of the world. Sorry, I just wrote this and I didn't read it over and there are spelling mistakes. Hope you guys enjoyed this interesting and harmful information. I'm still getting attacked, but I hope you guys will take steps to protect yourself as well as your companies and make sure that there is a fallback plan. Also, as well as an offensive plan. So you need an offensive and defensive security plan in place, as well as making sure you have your EMR system backed up off-site on multiple locations, not just two, maybe not three anymore, maybe four. So you will most likely be safer if you have an off-site hard copy of your patient files, as well as a digital copy that is offline after synchronization. And synchronization can take different durations. mostly it's every 24 hours, and they do it, through midnight until like 6 in the morning. Some EMR systems are more advanced, and they are backed up in real time, which is definitely more comparable and competitive than the rest. Thank you very much, and I'm sorry it wasn't too organized for this episode. Thank you very much for listening.